nice and lovely. So, you know what I mean, you can't go wrong when you're making something like this. I make it all the time, porridge. You know what I mean, we got coconut milk, nutmeg egg, sweet condensed milk, mixed spice, cinnamon, cornmeal, vanilla, salt, and we're gonna have some water and some milk. Alright, so on a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning or a Friday morning or a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is a food that you can have right straight through the week. It is amazing. I love it. This is gonna make the third video since I've been doing it over the last few weeks. Someone requested it again, say I didn't explain what ingredients I was using. So I'll make sure I go all over the ingredients them guys, that you can see exactly what I'm using. As I said, coconut milk, nutmeg egg, mixed spice, cinnamon powder, sweet condensed milk, and you must have to have the cornmeal, and vanilla, some salt, and some milk. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put some cornmeal inside of this right here. Nice one. Not much cornmeal, just a little bit, roughly. This is saying 6 ounces. Alright, nice one. So the cornmeal is ready. Alright, so now we're gonna get you need a medium-sized pot like this right here, and I did boil my kettle. So what I'm gonna do is pour some water inside of it. Not a lot of water, as you can see the amount of water which I've been using, roughly about quarter pots of water. Alright, now we're gonna put this to the boil on the stove, because I'm not making a lot of porridge, it's just a little bit. Alright, so what you can do also is put cinnamon, no, sorry, that's the mixed spice, and this is the cinnamon, pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong. And this is the nutmeg egg inside of the water. I'm gonna put some vanilla, roughly about a tablespoon. And a pinch of salt. Alright, so all of the ingredients is in it. Now we're gonna get the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk. So I'm gonna be using roughly about quarter cans of coconut milk. Alright, yeah, quarter cans of the coconut milk. So we're gonna put this to boil. Nice. So water start to boil. What I want to do now is put some milk inside of this right here. I love to use a spoon, so I'm gonna put some milk in it like this. Powder milk, or you can use, you don't have to use milk, you can use water. I like to use milk. And you can use also, you can use almond milk, rice milk, you know, if you're allergic to these milk. So now we're gonna add this to the boil. All right, guys. Yeah. You can use a whisk, but I like to use a fork and just whisk it out like that. Nice. So now we're gonna just simply add this to it. And it will get really thick in a bit. Just simply keep stirring it. And you're gonna see it gets really thick. When the porridge is thick, it's easy to correct more than when it's not thick, because when it's runny, then you can't correct it. So we just want this to cook for about 12 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes on a medium size heat. Any kind of oven you have, stove you have, just put it on a medium size heat. Turn it down low. Nice. So we're just gonna allow this to cook. Now, nice. Looking good. That's how we do it, the real Jamaican way. And if you notice, over here I have my container where I keep my whisk. That means it doesn't get sticky, you know? Yeah, enjoy it. Nice. So what I'm going to do is put some sweet condensed milk in it and sweeten and taste as it goes along. Nice one. So I just want to taste it to see if it's sweet enough or if you need more stuff. Just a pinch more salt. A little bit more vanilla. put a little bit more milk. So sweeten and taste as it goes along. You can get sweet condensed milk to buy at local shop or supermarket. Nice. So let's taste it again. That's perfect. So we're just gonna allow this to about 5 more minutes. Let the sweetness just cut through it, and yeah, ready to serve. Yeah, this is it. Finished, done and dusted. If it's a little bit too thick, you can always add a little bit of milk and keep it flowing like this. So we're gonna serve it out now. Beautiful porridge. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is it, and I always do my porridge like this. Always. You know? Yeah. Beautiful one. Look at that. Lovely and nice. So that's it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe like this coming, a lot more ideas and a lot more things we'll definitely make from Chef Ricardo team. So yeah, one love again, and Jamaican cornmeal porridge can't go wrong on the weekend.